Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look on my model today. So if you would like to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. I prepped her skin with the Pixie Phenomenal Gel and the IOP Eye Cream and Professional. To give an extra glow to the face, I use the Pixie Glow Booster in Pink Pearl, and I'm just applying that all over the face with a stippling brush. I'm going to be using this Sleek Makeup Illuminating Drops, and I'm just putting it on the high points of the face and just blending it with a small blending brush. For foundation, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin. This has a 15-hour wear. It's a medium to full coverage foundation, and it also leaves the skin natural looking. For concealer, I'm using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination. So this one is a little bit more of a brightening under eye concealer instead of the original Bye Bye Under Eye. And I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty blender. To set all the high points of the face, I'm going to use the Benefit Hello Happy powder. This is in the shade 3. To cream contour, I'm using the Per Cosmetics foundation stick. This is in the color Warm Deep, and I'm only applying a little bit just because I want a soft contour. And I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty blender. For the nose, I'm just using a small stippling brush. To set the cream contour, I'm going to use this NYX matte bronzer, and I'm using light feathered strokes just so it looks very flawless and doesn't leave any harsh lines. For the nose, I'm just using a small blending brush and also doing light strokes because I want it to look as natural as possible. I'm going to be using this blush from NARS. It's called Liberté, and just going to be applying that on the apples of the cheeks and blending it up into the bronzer. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit in That Glow, and I'm just going to be mixing these two colors together. To set the face, I'm using the Scandinavia setting spray, and this is the bridal one. For the brows, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow 24-hour gel and the Precisely Brow Pencil in shade 5. So I'm just going to brush the brows upwards. I'm going to be doing a feathered natural look. and using the pencil, I'm just going to fill in any gaps. For the eyeshadow base, I'm using the Balm Neutral Primer, and I'm just going to buff that all over the lid. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Mora Cosmetics Best of You eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this light brown shade in the crease and just blend it upwards. To deepen the crease, I'm going to use this reddish color and just apply it all over the crease. This is going to be pretty much the base of the eyeshadow look. And I'm just flicking it outwards to give that sharp edge on the outer corner. For the lid, I'm going to be using this shade with a flat brush, and then I'm going to blend the red color into the lid color just so there's no harsh lines. In the center of the lid, I'm going to use the Balm liquid eyeshadow. This is in the color Rose, and I just applied that in the center and also in the inner corners. On the lower lash line, I'm pretty much going to use the same colors I used in the crease. So I'm applying the darker red first and then blending it with the lighter taupe shade. With an angled brush, I'm bringing out that dark red shade just so there's the sharp line and it creates a wing. For mascara, I'm using Mad Lash from the Balm. I'm going to be using my Duo Glue, and these lashes are in the style Sasha. I also applied this black eyeliner from Dose of Colors in the waterline, and I'm just smoking it out with a dark brown shade. And applying mascara on the lower lashes. For lips, I'm using this lip liner from Nabi, and it's in the color Rose Brown. For lipstick, I'm using the Anastasia lip palette. This color is number 11. And for gloss, I'm using this gold pretty clear gloss. It's from Victoria's Secret, but they actually don't make this anymore, and it's one of my favorite glosses. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the brushes I used or any of the products, you can leave a comment down below. I will answer them there. If you do recreate this look, please make sure to tag me. I'd love to share your recreations.